As part of decision making, as we have been discussing, that there are multiple alternatives that are available in decision making. While those kind of alternatives are available, what we try to do is we will try to represent through a pictorial diagram or block diagram with some blocks, circles and squares, and we try to connect those things. That kind of diagram is known as a decision tree. That decision tree that means whatever the available alternative, we are showing it pictorially with whatever the kind of probabilities are attached. Likewise, it is like what are all the alternatives available, what are the possible outcomes from each of the decision can be made, and similarly what are the probabilities attached for each of the outcome that emerges from that kind of decision. All these things are shown pictorially, which is known as a decision tree. For this decision tree, we have to construct this. The construction of a decision tree is like this. At any point where the decision maker makes a decision is represented by a square box. That means the square box represents a place where the decision is being made. There might be 2 lines or 3 lines or 4 lines or 5 lines that are emerging from that. If there are 5 lines, means there are 5 alternatives available at that point of time. When there are 3 lines, means there are 3 possible alternatives that are there at the disposal of the decision maker. Likewise, we draw those lines from that square box, which is, we call that as decision node. After decision node, then one action for each of the line or alternative that is available or that is emerging from the decision node are connected with some circles. Those circles are known as chance nodes. These chance nodes, what they indicate is there are some lines that will emerge from chance node. What that means is that external environment offers maybe 2 or 3 or 4 possible things that can happen at that point of time after we have taken decision. That is offered by external environment, and those lines which are emerging from circle are having some kind of probabilities and some kind of monetary value. So these kind of things are known as chance nodes. Chance nodes only exhibit. So for each of the branch that has emerged from decision node, some chance nodes they are connected, and after chance nodes also there might be decision nodes, again there might be chance nodes. Likewise it continues, or it depends upon the kind of situation. When it is a simple situation where we have to make a decision, there will be lesser branches coming out. There are lesser stages of that problem. When it is a simple problem, there may be only 2 stages or maybe only 3 stages which are emerging in both decision nodes and chance nodes.
Now we will go for a problem in decision theory. A graduate has to choose among MBA and MCA. The following data is provided. Draw a decision tree diagram and find the expected monetary value. What should be the choice of the person? Acentra course. Then market condition. Market condition. Then probability. Then salary, expected salary. Course here is MBA, market condition, good, average, normal, bad. When it is good, it has a probability of 0.50. Then it is 0.30. Then this is 0.20. Salary here is 15 lakhs, 8 lakhs, then 4 lakhs. Then for MCA, market is good, then average, then bad. Yes, 0.50, 0.30, 20, 15 lakhs. So it is 12 lakhs. Then 9 lakhs, then 4 lakhs. Now we'll solve that problem. So in the problem what they have given is a graduate has to choose among the MBA program, MCA program based upon expected monetary value. That means what it will pay in the long run. So what he has chosen is, there are two decisions. The square box is also known as decision node. So it is emerging from this. So which one branch shows that it is a choice for selecting MBA and the other thing is MCA. So here we have a circle which indicates is a chance node. Chance node is offered by external environment and the choice is under the control of decision maker. But what external environment offers is not under the control of decision maker. That depends upon the outside conditions. Now we'll see these are the branches coming out because of action of external circumstances. So these things represent, this is a decision tree diagram, because why we call this decision tree is it appears like branches, lakhs. Here this is 8 lakhs where this is average condition. This is when market is good. When market is bad, there is a probability of market being bad is 0.2. It is 4 lakhs. So this put it in brackets. So here also it is 0.5. Here it is 12 lakh rupees, 12 lakhs. And the other thing is 0.3 probability, 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs, and it has a probability of 4 lakhs. So this is the decision tree diagram. This we call decision node under the control of, and this we call chance node. Chance node. So this is not under control of decision maker, but this is under the control of decision maker.